what was the benefit? Like, did you get a job after having a course from Get SDE Ready, or you switched or something?
Basically, I took the course. I'm already working. It's actually professional right now. I'm a fresher at some good company. Basically, actually, the issue was that I want to upskill myself.
Okay.
So I already have some little exposure with this DSA, and basically I want to upskill myself with this DSA because when I got this job with campus offer, and I was not having that much exposure of DSA, so I need someone who can guide me, and I was earning, so I can pay amount to get course, and I was exploring, and I found this course, and it was really good because you know now the starting is very hard. The DSA journey is very long, and the start is very hard. You need a push and you need one guidance, one who can guide you. So so I saw a background of Arun Bhaiya, and I got impressed because he's working at my dream company. So, but even if I can upskill myself as much as I can, because of that, by that I can get future opportunities. So with that, like everyday sessions happened, and it was in my mind that I have to do this thing in this particular time. So that was a major plus point. So uh, I make sure that whatever bhaiya has given me work, I did it right on time. Sometimes एक दो दिन ऊपर नीचे हो जाता था because of my, as I said, I'm working, and sometimes is weekend, so थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो जाता, but I try to do it as much fast as possible.
Okay. So, first thing first, the first question which I actually want to know that, you told that you tried to upskill yourself through Get SDE Ready, right? So how did you come across Get SDE Ready? How did you, knew about Get SDE Ready?
I was exploring it on LinkedIn, and I was searching everything on like Facebook and Chrome, and how to like get upskill. Like, is this DSA is that much important or not? So yeah, that was I was having a confusion. Like, is it DSA in today's time? Is it that much important or not, or something? So I was scrolling through Instagram, and I found this Get SDE Ready page, and I saw Amazon as SD as an engineer, and Atlassian SD2 as an engineer. So I thought I can ask them. And first, if on Instagram only, I got this message, and they said that we can do one-on-one free session, and it was of half an hour. So in that half an hour, I came to know that where I stand, what is the future scope, and what do you say? What is this DSA is that much important or not? Yes, so I got clarity on all my answers, and I got in this course.
Got it. And like, if I ask you about how is the journey, like, if you have completed the course, how is the journey of getting the mentorship from Get SDE Ready? How was the mentors and everyone?
I was mentored by Arun Bhaiya, obviously. So it was like very good, actually, to be honest. Because everyday DSA grinding, even in this world right now where the competition is very high, you need someone who can guide you. So every day, in starting, I was like, I was getting up DSA again. So the skills I was having, not that much skills, but the little skills I was having, I was not able to catch up that skills as well because of the work and meetings going on and something. And but I told these things to my mentor straight, like ये हो रहा है, I'm not feeling it, and he was like कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. And I was like, starting में I was very low, but करते करते हो गया. And reason because someone is there who's checking me, someone's there who was like saying me कि हो जाएगा. And I clearly told my goals to them. And at some point एक point ऐसा आया, they are like, you are good enough, you don't need a guide, and you can do it by your own. And yes, वो ऐसा टाइम आ गया था कि yes, I know कि काफी क्वेश्चंस हो जाते थे. So basically मेरे को अपस्किल करना था खुद को, मैं काफी अच्छा अपस्किल कर लिया था with true guidance कि हाँ मैं जिस पे टाइम लगा रहा हूँ, this is relevant, it is not irrelevant at the end.
Okay.
So, yeah.
If I want you to give a little of course overview, for the students who will be joining Get SDE Ready in future, so what will be the course review you will provide?
First of all, it's 5-star, to be honest, if you want to upskill yourself. But if something is like that, software has not that much of exposure to be honest कि कैसे जाना है. कुछ unfairness भी होता है, किसी का campus अच्छा है, किसी का नहीं है. So at the end, I think you need one guide if you can do, if you want to do some off-campus things now. So you should be you should be contact with someone and have some one-on-one mentorship. I would say that first of all, who was in third years, like who are in there in internships or maybe in jobs, one should go and check this course and go explore this course. It's not, you see, it's not about questions, set of questions. Set of questions are everywhere on the internet. It's all about how people one can guide you, and it's the right path. So I would say everyone should like go through this course. At least it will build you confidence. The one thing is like about is like when one-on-one mentorship, even you can ask anything casually, anything. कि क्या चल रहा है, like sometimes me and भैया has talked like अभी उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, वर्क्स कैसा है, ऐसा स्टॉक्स कैसा है, कुछ भी मतलब, because we are working now, so we can relate on that also. कैसे ग्रो, आई ऑलवेज आस्क देम कैसे ग्रो करना है, क्या है, तो ऐसा वैसा. तो दे आर ऑलवेज लाइक इट्स कनेक्शंस एंड ऑल थिंग्स दे से टू मी. सो इंडस्ट्री में आने से पहले अगर ये सब चीजें पता हो तो इंडस्ट्री में जाके उसका उतना फायदा होता है. एंड जॉब लगना तो एक फर्स्ट पार्ट है ही इन सब के लिए. और उसके लिए ये क्वेश्चंस और सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस का ये फायदा है कि दे आर लाइक क्लोज टू 400 क्वेश्चंस. सो अगर इतने क्वेश्चंस कर लोगे तो बेटर, मतलब काफी चांस अपस्किल तो हो ही जाओगे. प्लस ऐसा है कि वन ऑन वन इंटरव्यू के सेशंस भी होते थे. भैया टुक माय इंटरव्यू एज एन इंटरव्यूअर, आई ऑलवेज इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ, सो दैट बिल्ड्स कॉन्फिडेंस टू मी. एंड he asked questions. He asked brute force, dry run, everything that ever an interview says. So sometimes group discussions also happen with me and 3-4 people. We try and discuss, and that was a really good part because they gave us any random topic. They gave us 10 minutes to discuss on that, and then we always discuss that thing. And this gave you confidence, and then you want to argue to someone who you don't know anything, and you have to say it with confidence that you own this thing. And some tricks of how to get good in GD, Arun Bhaiya told me, that I still remember. So
Oh, that's great. And I think this will be my last question. And if you have to tell three good things about Get SDE Ready, so just three words for Get SDE Ready. What you can think about. That's a very normal, very small question. And
so first of all, I would say the mentorship was crazily good. Mentorship was good because it's a long journey, as I said, and I said that overnight नहीं achieve कर सकते, तो कोई ना कोई साथ में रहना चाहिए तो तुमको motivate करे. दूसरी thing, set of questions were unique. मतलब yes, there were some repetitive questions, but set of questions were unique. And also the third part, we had video solutions also, so we can go through that. And if you don't know the solution, you would just type the code out in a Discord, and after 10 or 20 minutes, if the TAs are not that much busy, you can get the answer, and you can get the TA to in your video call to get the right solution and optimal approach.
Oh, that's great. So I think that's all from my end.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.